Hi, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn the types of electronic devices: candelabra, television, mouse, printer, ceiling fan, laptop, camera, smartwatch, security camera, drone, oven, projector, guitar, rice cooker, dishwasher, drill, electric grill, hair dryer, juicer, microwave, speakers, USB drive, blender, pressure cooker, coffee machine, mixer, washing machine, lamp, vacuum cleaner, webcam, air conditioner, electric drill, lamp, clothes iron. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.